Today we are looking at the Gemini Jets FedEx Express Boeing 767-300F in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box which has a little picture of the plane here, the model of the plane, and in big bold letters, the airline it flew with, FedEx Express. On the back, we have another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet actually is. Back to the front, we can open up the lid and you can see the model inside. So you already see it on display. You don't have to take it out of the box. And then on the lid, we have a little history of the Boeing 767-300 and some specification information such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches. And then some other information you might like to know such as range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Well, let's open up the box and have a look at the model inside. Pops out really easily. It comes between two pieces of plastic. Just gently remove it. And there you have it, the Boeing 767-300F. Of course, the F stands for freighter. Now, this is obviously FedEx. It's a freight plane. Let's look at it in all of its wonderful details. You can see the FedEx livery, big FedEx Express here. If you look on the jet engines, they also say FedEx. On the vertical stabilizer, FedEx. Here we have the word on time, the catchphrase. And here we've got a little name of the plane itself. Let's look at the other side. Of course, again, FedEx Express written on it. FedEx again written all over this plane. Now let's look at some of the wonderful details of this nice die-cast metal model. You can see the flaps, the ailerons on the wings. We can see a registration of N104FE with a little American flag. You can see the elevators and the rudders on the stabilizers. We've got very nice detailed landing gear. See a little Gemini Jets logo here and a space for a stand if you wanted one. Of course, very nice look at the cockpit. Once again, looking at the details on the other side. So you've got some very nice little antenna bits here and here. Now please be careful because these bits may be more delicate. Although it is die-cast metal, some of the smaller parts are still delicate. It has a length of about 13.7 centimeters and a wingspan of about 11.9 centimeters. And overall, it's a very nice, detailed die-cast metal model. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.